Great news for EV drivers. EVgo has roaming partners that expand our network and bring you even more charging possibilities on the go. Roaming options are available for all EVgo customers, come at zero extra cost, eliminating the need for multiple accounts. Start by opening your EVgo app, tap the filter icon, scroll down and make sure to check the Show Partner Stations box at the bottom. In the app, EVgo stations will be marked with the EVgo logo, and roaming partner stations will show that partner's logo. Keep an eye out for the same trusty indicators you're used to. Green means it's your lucky day, the charge is available. Red means someone else is getting a charge right now. Arrived at a DC-FC charger? Open your EV's charging port, then take the charging cable from the charging unit and insert it into your car's charging port until you hear a click. Select the unit and the connector within the app, and press Start Charge. Or tap your RFID card on the designated spot on the charger. Using a level 2 charger, select the unit you intend to use in the app, and press Start Charge. Or, if you love using your RFID card, just give it a tap on the designated spot on the charger. You'll hear the charger click, indicating the handles have been unlocked and are ready to plug into your EV. Go ahead and plug in the connector that suits your vehicle, and your session will begin in no time. When you're all charged up and ready to roll, remember to wrap things up by pressing stop on the DC-FC charging screen, or if you're using an L2, simply stop the charge by unplugging the connector from your vehicle. Return the connector to the charger, and you're done.